Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Instacart Shopper and Shopper app. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Instacart Shopper website. Click on the sign up button located on the home page. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and password. Read through and agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box. Click the Create Account button to proceed. You will then receive a verification email. Check your email inbox for a message from Instacart. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Return to the Instacart Shopper website after verifying your email. Now, download the Instacart Shopper app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the app on your mobile device. Tap on Login and enter the email and password you used to create your account. Follow any on-screen prompts to set up your profile. You may be asked to provide additional information, such as your phone number. Complete the onboarding tutorial provided in the app. This will guide you through using the key features. You can now start shopping for customers once your account is fully set up. Enjoy your new role as an Instacart shopper. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.